Everyone, this is Matt King with the King Pier II team. We're out here on day one in Belton, Missouri. On this project in particular, we're going to be installing 3 King Pier IIs. As you know from our previous projects where we installed those, our footing support pier, they go 13 inches below the footing, which is what this foundation wall is setting on. So you can see the cracking here on the northwest corner. It means the footing has settled, causing that to crack. So we're going to put one of the 3 piers under the corner of the footing right here from the back. Then we'll take a quick look at the other 2. So bear with us just a sec as we walk around to the other side of the house.
Yeah, I was like, what's that? Oh, okay.
So number 2 is going to be underneath this wing wall, essentially right here in the middle. If you notice right here, you can see the separation. So we're going to try to eliminate that gap as much as we can with putting our King Pier II underneath the footing that this wing wall is sitting on. And then finally, the last one is going to be here in the back. And then we're just going to be getting underneath. Once we get this block out of the way, we're just going to put one King Pier II right underneath the footing, underneath the door. The door does not open and close. You can see that right now. It's off quite a bit. So then you can see the cracking on the garage floor right near there. So we're going to get everything raised back up. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.